How to fix notification issue on iPhone. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Static Studio, and today I'll show you how you can fix if the notification is not coming up on your iPhone. It's super easy to fix, so let's jump right into the video. Well, a notification issue can be happen for several reasons. First, open up the settings app from your iPhone and then scroll down, tap on notification obviously, and once you're here inside this one, tap on show preview and make sure to select the always from here and then get back from here and scroll down and you'll get to see all the apps that are installed on your iPhone. So if you're having problem with any specific application, for example, let's say I'm going to tap on messages, then you just make sure you have enabled the allow notification. If it's toggle off, you just need to enable this feature, and also you just need to make sure all the options are enabled, including the alert. From here you'll get to see the lock screen, notification center, and banner. So if it's disabled or deselect, you just need to make sure you have enabled all this from here. And also you can enable the badges and tap on show preview again and make sure to select always default from here as well. Now once you're done, just go back from here, and for the third-party apps like Messenger, Instagram, and other application, you can tap on this one as well, and you just need to take the similar settings for this one as well. But if you scroll down at the bottom right, you'll get to the Messenger notification, or if you have other app, this will also show you the settings of that specific app, and you just need to make sure that you have enabled the notification from that app settings as well. Now once you're done, just get back from here, get back to the home screen of your device, and then simply go ahead and restart your iPhone. You can tap on this virtual home button, device more, restart, and tap on restart in order to restart your iPhone. And also you can turn off and on your iPhone as well. But after doing this process, if you still have the problem, then open up the settings app once again from your device and then scroll down, tap on the screen time here, and then scroll down, tap on content privacy restriction, and make sure to turn up the content privacy restriction from here. Now once you do that, most likely one of this process will fix your problem and you will start getting the notification on your iPhone. But if any case, if you still have the problem, then here's the last process that you guys can do. Open up the settings app once again from your device, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down again, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset all settings, and put your iPhone passcode here and tap reset all settings. But make sure this will reset all of its settings and it will get back to the default, so you will lose your Wi-Fi password and other settings that you have customized. And once you do that, most likely the problem is going to be solved and will start getting all the notification on your iPhone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel, or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.